Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel with another AI tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create these AI generated images for free.
Creative mind is the king of the screen, teaching us the art, making it all so.
First of all, open your browser. Now search Bing AI. Now open this site. Now this tab appears. Now enter your prompt here. Now click on Create. It will take up to few seconds. And here we go. You can also download these images like this. Now let's try another prompt. And here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.